It's Mother's Day, a time to say thank you for being the best. It isn't so hard to write a card, just follow your heart and your pen will do the rest. You could find the magic words that make you think of your mum. You could talk about the places you've been together and all the things you've done. Why not try an acrostic poem where the lines spell out a word? M for marvelous, U for unbelievable, M for my best friend in the whole wide world.
Your poem could use some rhyming words where the endings of the words sound the same. Here are some ideas.
Movie nights, pillow fights, windy days for flying kites, superpowers, picking flowers, playing hide and seek for hours, reading magazines, eating greens, bouncing up and down on trampolines, going to the park, playing until dark. That day at the beach you said you were a shark.
But poems don't always have to rhyme. You could simply say all the great things about your mum. Try using descriptive words to put your feelings on the page.
It's Mother's Day and another way to show your appreciation is by bringing all those words to life, by adding some illustrations. And finally it's time to deliver your poem in an envelope that she can open. You could hide it somewhere in your house, just make sure it's somewhere that she will notice. It's Mother's Day, a time to say thank you for being the best. Oh, it isn't so hard to write a card, just follow your heart and your pen will do